is at. It's at 1 3/8 to the cut line. And we got about 1 3/8 down here, or up here as well. Okay, so 1 3/8. Here we go. So we got that. And you know what? My mark is dead on the money. Yeah. Okay. Maybe a little fatter side. Up here we come into the 1 3/8 club. But, excuse me. Really rude. Okay. So basically, this is the only line that I have anything right here. I want to keep it somewhat even dimension from the window to there. Got some crazy lighting going on. Okay, so what I need is okay. So that should be a parallel line right here off of this more than this, which probably is wider here than here, but when it comes down to the final measurement, the measurement goes off of the inside. So basically I'll just cut this whole section off. I have to just go with a straight edge. Okay, I think I got a pretty good line there. I gotta have that 3/4 inch strip of 1/8 inch flat bar, 3/4 inch by 1/8, yeah. So that'll go in, and basically it'll push out my 2 layers of metal, and it'll give me a spot where I can close the door at. See, right here, I got my 2 sheets. Those 2 pieces are exterior sheet metal, and then another piece of sheet metal that are tied together. And then this is my 1/8 inch flat bar. 1/8 inch flat bar. So 1/8 inch flat bar will go on it'll go on this side, basically. It'll bend down and then go up, and that gets me another 1/8 inch or so on top of this, and then you have a door jamb that you can close the door to. So that's the basic but I got some issues with the door where the door goes like this, so I'm gonna have to straighten that, get that side straight. I straightened out the bottom of the door because the doors go like kind of outward at the bottom. So I went and took a straight edge off of the top down to the bottom and sliced off the bottom part of the door. I can't remember how much. I want to say 1/4 inch plus at the bottom, but basically just making it to where it's straight all the way up and down. That makes it easy to fabricate this part that's straight up and down. So you use your lines of your door, lines of the window and door, Sorry, window and door. And those both being straight, this one being straight, it's going to make everything so much easier to fit together. Got a little honky there. I need to be getting honky. I'll cut this off. Woo, baby. Okay. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Nice. So that's what you're cutting off. So, ooh, it's hot, hot, hot. See? Sorry, Henry. Going to the scrapyard. Okay, so looks like it'd be nice to keep cutting down. Okay, I'm almost to that thing. I don't want to cut that. Good, mate. Good, mate. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, do I got enough room? It's the $100 question. Did I leave enough room for my flat bar? Oh, yeah, look at that. 3/4. Oh, yeah, 3/4. Little fat here though, but that's okay. Anyway, I gotta go in here, TIG weld this, TIG weld at least the part that's gonna get covered up, and probably the back part. I haven't finished that side, so I want to make sure everything's gonna work before